Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will be talking on a topic which is related to our universe. Who should be declared a frontrunner in the segment of telescopes? James Webb Space Telescope often gets called the replacement of Hubble, but we prefer to call it a successor to Hubble. Its science goals were motivated by results from Hubble. Webb will primarily look at the universe in the infrared, while Hubble studies it primarily at optical and ultraviolet wavelength. If we compare in terms of wavelength, Webb will observe primarily in the infrared and will have four science instruments to capture images and spectra of astronomical objects. These instruments will provide wavelength coverage from 0.6 to 2.8 micrometers. The instruments on Hubble can observe a small portion of the infrared spectrum from 0.8 to 2.5 microns, but its primarily capabilities are in the ultraviolet and visible parts of the spectrum from 0.1 to 0.8 microns. Infrared observations are important because stars and planets that are just forming lie behind cocoons of dust that absorb visible light. Next comes the size comparisons. Webb will have an approx 6.5 meter diameter primary mirror, which gives it a significantly larger collecting area than the mirrors available on the current generation of space telescopes. Hubble's mirror is a much smaller 2.4 meters in diameter, and its corresponding collecting area is 4.5 meters square, giving Webb around 6.25 times more collecting area. Webb will have significantly larger field of view than the NICMOS camera on Hubble. In terms of orbit, if we compare, the Earth is 150 million km from the Sun, and the Moon orbits the Earth at a distance of approx 384,500 km. The Hubble Space Telescope orbits around the Earth at an altitude of 570 km above. Webb will actually not orbit the Earth, instead it will sit at the Earth-Sun L2 Lagrange point, 1.5 million km away. Because Hubble is in Earth orbit, it was able to be launched into space by the space shuttle. Webb will be launched on the Ariane 5 rocket, and because it won't be in Earth orbit, it is not designed to be serviced by the space shuttle. At the L2 point, Webb's solar shield will block the light from Sun, Earth and Moon. This will help Webb stay cool, which is very important for an infrared telescope. How far Webb and Hubble will see? Essentially, Hubble can see the toddler galaxies, and Webb will be able to see baby galaxies. One reason Webb will be able to see the first galaxies is because it is an infrared telescope. The universe is expanding. When we are taking the most distant object in consideration, telescope plays a pivotal role. Whether it is Webb or Hubble, both have an important character to play in this enormous, never-ending, gigantic universe. Thank you. Keep watching our videos and please do support us.